Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this LC Smith, and I'm going to be doing a reconstruction job on this, rebuild, recondition, rework, whatever you want to call it. So I did get the carriage to move. It was almost frozen. This is running smooth again, so then I was like, okay. And this is taped up so the ribbon drive turns unbinded, otherwise the reverse mechanism causes a bind in the mainspring and the carriage. So this is all fixed. So then I started taking it apart. Just started. Took this screws off, take this front panel off, and guess what I found? So let's get this panel off of here. Like this. I think we can get it out of here. So there was a little bit of ribbon left on the ribbon spool, but most of it is right there. And some other stuff in there too. It looks like a mouse made its home right here for who knows how long. Let's see if he's still in there. If he jumps out of there, I'm really going to be... Nope, but there's other stuff in there. So he made a little home out of the ribbon, and looks like the some string and this back piece of insulation from the back panel, and some more paper. Okay, that's what you find in 100-year-old machines. Animal nests. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.